Hi, this is Study Korean with 아저씨. Today's lesson is going to be 비읍습니다. 비읍습니까? Korean verbs and adjectives are made up of stems and endings. The stems of verbs and adjectives do not stand alone, and they are always conjugated by various or inflectional endings. These endings carry various grammatical information and rules such as tense, aspect, speech levels, and so on. 비읍니다 or 습니다. 비읍니까 or 습니까 is one of these endings. 비읍니다 or 습니다. 비읍니까 or 습니까 is a former polite sentence ending which is attached to a verb or adjective stem. 비읍니다 or 습니다 is used for declarative sentence ending, while 비읍니까 or 습니까 is used for interrogative sentence endings. 비읍니다 or 습니다. 비읍니까 or 습니까 is mostly used in formal settings such as in the military, presentations, meetings, TV news report, and lectures. When a verb or adjective stem ends in a consonant, use 습니다, 습니까. When a verb or adjective stem ends in a vowel, use 비읍니다, 비읍니까. When you look for the meaning of certain verbs or adjectives in your dictionary, you are most likely to encounter verbs and adjectives with 다. For example, 읽다, to read, 자다, to sleep, 아름답다, to be beautiful. Remember that stems do not stand by themselves. For a dictionary entry purpose, Korean verbs and adjectives take a special dictionary form ending, 다. Consequently, finding the stem of a verb or an adjective is simple. You just take out 다 from the verbs and adjectives. Anything being left out after you took out 다 is the stem. Here are some examples. 읽다, a verb, 읽 is a stem, 다 is a dictionary form ending. 아름답다, an adjective, 아름답 is a stem, 다 is a dictionary form ending. 연습, exercise. 먹다, 먹다 is to eat and is a dictionary form. We know that 먹 is a stem and 다 is a dictionary form ending. We learned earlier a former polite sentence ending, 비읍니다, 비읍니까, 습니다, 습니까. Here is a former polite sentence ending with the verb 먹다. 먹 is a verb stem, drop 다, and attaches 습니다 or 습니까 to the verb stem 먹. Because the verb stem 먹 ends in the consonant 기역, the red one, and it comes to 먹습니다 or 먹습니까. 가다. 가다 is to go. 가 is a verb stem and drap다, which is a dictionary form ending, and attaches 비읍니다 or 비읍니까 to the verb stem 가. Since the verb stem 가 ends in the vowel 아, the red one, so it comes to 갑니다 or 갑니까. 예쁘다. 예쁘다 is to be pretty, adjective. 예쁘 is a stem. 다 is a dictionary form ending, and drop it and attaches 비읍니다 or 비읍니까 to the adjective stem 예쁘. Because its ending is the red one, and it becomes 예쁩니다 or 예쁩니까. 연습. 그림을 보고 알맞은 것을 아래에서 찾아 쓰십시오. Look at the pictures and write the correct word from the box below. 운동하다, exercise, 먹다, eat, 마시다, drink, 많다, many, 노래하다, sing, 넓다, wide. 노래합니다. 운동합니다. 많습니다. 연습. 그림을 보고 보기와 같이 대화를 완성하십시오. Look at the pictures and complete the conversation as shown in the example. A. 햄버거를 먹습니까? Do you eat hamburgers? B. 네, 햄버거를 먹습니다. Yes, I eat hamburgers. 신문을 읽습니까? Do you read newspapers? Yes. 네, 신문을 읽습니다. Yes, I read newspapers. 뭐 합니까? What are you doing? 버스를 기다립니다. I'm waiting for the bus. 뭐 합니까? What are you doing? 일기를 씁니다. I write a diary. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching everyone. Until next time, take care. Bye.